redoing his bathroom. So we've been doing tiling, and but the big reason is I've got a LS3 right next to me that we rebuilt. That's going to go back in my 2008 Corvette. A supercharged, fun thing right up until we cracked the piston on it. So we tore it down to nothing and rebuilt it. So we got some nice forged goodies that went into it. So that's a big part of it. But we're hoping to do a little bit of work on the TWAP. So the WAP 2.0. We want to try to get a better brake system in that. So